Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to WCNC Charlotte this morning. We are starting off with pretty mild temperatures across the area, upper 60s across most areas in the Piedmont, some lower 70s down toward Lancaster County this morning, and you'll notice even the mid 50s, feeling very comfortable up in Boone. Now, these numbers are pretty normal for this time of year, but what's not is the fact that we have lower humidity. So if you've stepped outside already, feels very comfortable outside, and maybe that's happening in about an hour or so. It will still feel nice and quiet. No rain out there this morning, although there is some patchy fog up in the mountains to kick off the day. If you're trying to plan some outdoor activities, maybe grilling in the backyard, enjoying the day off, maybe if the kids aren't at school yet, not starting this week so far. Lunchtime temperatures in the mid 80s. We have 70s for most of the afternoon and evening. And again, little to no rain over the next few days here as we have that drier air in place. But with that dry air, lots of sunshine, which means lots of high UV index values over the next few days. So just remember that burn time sitting at about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, one of the reasons why we are so quiet, of course, when it comes to the rain is because of lower humidity. However, I do want to point one thing out. We have high pressure overhead just to our east. You can kind of see some of those wind values here. As that high wraps around with its clockwise rotation, there will be a chance for some isolated showers on the eastern slopes of the mountains, just because it kind of drives that moisture up toward those mountain areas. So if you live on that side, Ash, Watauga, Avery County, even the northern parts there, higher elevations of Burke and Caldwell, just be mindful of that. You'll see this as we have futurecast. Again, just a few clouds, a little bit of rain mixing in here and there. Most areas across the Piedmont staying nice and dry for both Wednesday and Thursday. It's Friday that we'll start to track a few more showers and storms coming in by the afternoon and eventually into the evening. A little too early to tell whether or not that could be severe, but we know it'll produce heavy rain. Latest update on Tropical Storm Ernesto there out just north of Puerto Rico. Is still a tropical storm, but winds are getting close to hurricane value. This storm is still expected to stay off the coast of the Carolinas and actually heading toward Bermuda, where it could become a major hurricane. Only impact here in the Carolinas will be along the immediate coast, as there will be some dangerous beach conditions, elevated wave heights because of that extension there from Ernesto, mostly on late Thursday, early Friday, but could linger into early on Saturday. Remember that the Carolina coast is a little bit unique because of places like the Outer Banks. We jut out a little bit more than other areas near the coast. So even sometimes hurricanes well offshore can impact the Carolina coastline. Now here inland, we have no impacts from Ernesto. In fact, Guy Roofing 7-day forecast looks pretty good. We're dry today and tomorrow. That chance of rain you just saw there Friday afternoon, and then just a few showers and storms heading into Saturday and Sunday.